how to upload a video onto your YouTube channel. Okay, so navigate your way to youtube.com. On the top right hand corner, in 2020 they've changed the logo, so it looks like a camera with a cross in the middle of it. You click on that. When you hover over it, it says create, so click on that and a little pop down window comes up and it says upload a video or go live. In this video I want to show you how to upload a video, so click on that. Okay, so YouTube takes you to this window right here and it asks you to select a file. So there's two ways you can upload a video. You can either hit the select file and a window pops up and you navigate your way to the video that you want to upload, or just hit cancel. You can find a video on here and just click and drag the video from your window. It brings up a window where you can add the details to your video, but that's how you upload a video to YouTube.